This is the elevator at Dillard's, Coastland Center, Naples, Florida. There's the elevator sign and the south parking entrance. Here's a store directory for the second floor and the first floor. And there's the store. Another store directory right here. And this is a Golden West Coast elevator. Here it is. Here's the indicator. Let's go up to 2. It's a West Coast elevator. No smoking. There's a certificate of operation. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Get a cab view. This is a really nice elevator. No, it's not tall like the Edison Mall elevator is. Go back onto 1. This is a really nice elevator, just by the style and the golden colors. Here at 1. There it goes. And that's it.